What's up guys, Lacey J here, and today I've got one of these again. Last time I had aqua beads, no, ore beads, sorry, and I grabbed those, so they were nice. Now I've got a cool. So guys, I don't know what they're called, it's just like an animal which grows. That's going to be really cool. It takes 72 hours and then it's fully grown. So that's what it looks like. Smell like rubber bands. So, glass of water. You guys don't have to see. Water. I want to give a shout out to Chris Olive. So, let's just put it in here. Whoa, it's full of bubbles. It's not dripping. Like, it's not coming out with water. So after it gets a bit wet, it goes a bit slimy. And there's like these little dots come out on your fingers. It's like slime. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a part 2 when it grows bigger. So yeah. So guys, I'm back here. And just shut the door. And yeah. So I wanted to say. So you can see it's over there. So guys, my teeth fell out and I'm going to be showing it. Wait, there it is. That's the cup. So it's in here. So it's one of the biggest teeth. So it's like that tooth, but on the other side. So that's that. Wait for the tooth fairy to come tonight or tomorrow night, I'm not sure. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment if you're new to my channel. Please subscribe if you already haven't. Please like the video. Yeah guys, bye.